What's the meaning of cheapness? Cheapness. Cheapness.
Cheapness. Cheapness. The term cheapness generally refers to the quality of being inexpensive or low in cost. When something is referred to as being cheap, it means that it is available at a lower price than similar items or that it is of lower quality. While the lower price point may be appealing to some individuals, it can also imply that the item is lacking in value and overall quality. The result of cheapness can vary depending on the context. However, it often involves a trade-off between affordability and quality.